Hi, boys and girls. Math today is finding the unknown number. So this is why we've been working on fact families, missing add-ins, adding to subtract, and things like that, because it's all going to help you in this lesson. So we're on lesson 16, session 1, page 353. These are all word problems. So I will read it to you and then we'll circle the numbers and we'll figure it out together. So it says, Talia brings 9 pencils to school. So you're going to circle 9. She gives some. Okay, that means she gives some away. She has 3 left. Those are your word clues up here. So you may automatically know what the answer is, because if you know 3 plus blank equals 9, then you know 9 minus blank equals 3. But what I want you to work on is strategy this week, okay? Just like it's been every other week. So this is a try it. So I want you to try this on your own before I go in and solve it for you. So again, Talia brings 9 pencils to school. She gives some to her friends. This is the sum. We don't know how many. She has 3 left. How many does Talia give away? All right, go ahead and solve it. And then I'm going to show you how to do it right now. All right, so what I would do is I would draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, I try to write things in rows, 5 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a circle around 3 of them because that's what I have left. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I know 9 minus 6 equals 3. Talia gives away 6 pencils. Okay, and that's your fact family, because 3 plus 6 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. And the other one that's missing is 9 minus 3 equals 6. So remember, in a fact family, you have 2 subtraction, 2 addition. Subtraction is going to start with the biggest number, and addition is going to end with the biggest number. Okay, so I drew 9 dots. There's 5 in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I circled 3 because those are how many she has left. How many did she give away? She gave away these that are not circled. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, awesome. Hopefully that makes some sense. All right, page 354 has another word problem. It says 3 birds are eating. Okay, more birds join them. That means more means we're adding. 3 more join them. Now there are 8 birds. So remember, if you have a missing number, that's how many more, that's what sum is. So this could be sum or more is that blank. 3 plus sum equals 8. 3 plus some more equals 8. All right. So for this one, this is not a try it, but you probably already know what the answer is just by looking at it. But what I want you to do is practice drawing it. 1, 2, 3. 3 boards join. So that is this 3 right here. Then I need to figure out how many to get to 8. So I'm going to count on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to count how many I added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 5 equals 8, and 5 birds joined. Now we did this before. This was when we did missing add-ins. These are add-ins. When you're adding 2 numbers together, those are add-ins. Okay, we didn't do finding the missing number for subtraction, and that's okay, but that's what we're doing this week, is doing addition and subtraction and then finding out what the missing number is. Okay, turn the page. These are your green pages and these are your practice pages. And the first part we're talking about is unknown numbers. Okay, is what we call a prefix. It goes before a root word, and the prefix changes the meaning of the word. So means not. So this means not known numbers. They're numbers that we don't know. We have to solve them as mathematicians. All right, so in your own words, you're going to write up what unknown numbers means here. And down here is examples and non-examples. So non also means not. So these are not examples, which means we know the numbers. And then the last one is pictures or illustrations or drawings. Those are all synonyms. They're different words, but they mean the same thing. Drawing, pictures, illustrations, okay? All right, so in your own words, how would you describe an unknown number? Well, it's a number, number that is not known, right? We don't know what number it is. It's unknown. 2 plus blank equals 8. The unknown number is the number that is not known. It's unknown. So an example I could do would be 2, like I just said, 2 plus blank equals 8. A subtraction one could be 10 minus blank equals 7. It could go in any spot. So it could be, let's do 6 plus 7 equals blank. This is the unknown number, unknown number, unknown number. So it could actually be here or here. It could be addition, subtraction. It could be the sum or the difference if you're subtracting. Non-example would be the opposite of an example. So these are missing. These are going to be not missing. So you have non-examples is 9 minus 8 equals 1. You know all of the numbers. 10 plus 2 equals 12. All right. Pictures could be, if you do a number bond, you do 14. It'd be 10 and the unknown number goes there. All right. That is what you're going to fill in on page 355. So if you need to pause this and do that, please do so now. All right, down below, there is a problem about Jared. And it says Jared has 13 pens. He gives some, gives means we're subtracting. He gives some, we don't know how many he gives away to his mother. He has 6 pens left. Write an equation for the problem, leave a blank for the unknown number. So I did, he has 13 pens, he gives some away, he now has 6. They don't want you to solve this, it just says leave a blank. So I did that. If I wanted to, I could flip it into an addition equation. So an addition equation, remember, the small number that we know goes first. So 6 plus the sum that he gives away would get me back to 13. So subtraction starts with the biggest number, addition ends with the biggest number. Now, if I wanted to solve this, I could easily count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5 in one row, 6, 7. 6 plus 7 is 13, so 13 minus 7 must be 6. Because addition and subtraction are opposites. I was working with a friend the other day and they were like, I think I'm starting to understand. I'm starting to remember that addition and subtraction are opposites. Yes, that's exactly why we've been working on fact families and I've been trying to teach you that, because if you know addition, you can use it to help you solve subtraction. All right. Number 3 on page 356, solve the problem, draw to show your work. So you need to solve it and you need to draw pictures for it. 5 lions are drinking. More join them. Remember, more means we're adding. More join. We don't know how many join, but we know that now there are 9 lions. How many lions joined? So you could use X's for the 5 and O's for how many joined. So you could draw 5 X's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you're going to count on until you get to 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 joined. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So 4 lines joined. All right. You could also not draw the X's, and you could just say 5 and draw 6, 7, 8, 9, and then count what you drew. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go. I think that's it. I think we did it. Yeah. We'll be back tomorrow starting on page 357 with finding the missing number. Bye for now.